Good morning. This is going to be my tour of La Geria, 4-star hotel here in Lanzarote. 4 stories, there are a couple of lifts, so don't need to worry about the stairs. So let's take a walk through. We'll walk through reception and then down to the first floor where the restaurant bar area is. Take a look outside and see what else is about. So let's get in there. Just entering the reception area now. Just head down these stairs. You'll see this is the restaurant area. Sorry for the flickering lights. Bar area. There's a stage over there where they have nightly entertainment. Outside to the pool area. They're out here cleaning cleaning at the moment. It's quite early. Side over there, there's a pool table and a dartboard. There's a giant chess set. And also a table tennis table. Small children's play area. And then we have some gardens. I believe this takes us to the tennis courts. Yes, and down there is the tennis courts. Let's head on back round. Everything here is well maintained, spotlessly clean at all times. Here's another entrance exit gate, which is right across the road from the beach. Down in this area is a sauna and massage and some beauty treatments. Then around to this side is mini golf.